Welcome to our 8th HTML tutorial for beginners. In our today's tutorial, we are going to talk about HTML formatting elements. If you are new, or you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do so to continue getting more of our tutorials. Let's get started. We are going to use this simple text to explain how to use each of the HTML formatting elements. Number 1, we have the bold element, which makes the word formatting bold. Next, we have italic element, which makes the word italic. Next, the delete element, which deletes a word. Browsers strike a line through the deleted word. Next, the strong element, which makes the text bold, just like the bold tag. Next, the small element, which makes the word smaller than the other words. Next, the EM element, which defines emphasized text, typically displayed as italic. Next, big element, which makes the word bigger than the others. Next, mark element, which defines text that should be marked or highlighted. Next, inserted element, which defines a text that has been inserted. Browsers will typically underline inserted text. Next, subscript element, which makes texts appear half a character below the normal line. The text is always in small font. And lastly, we have superscript element, which defines superscript text. The text appears half a character above the normal line. The text is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Thank you for watching. See you in our next tutorial.